This is the letter O. There is a big O and a small o. It says,
O.
what letter is this? That's right. This is the letter O. What does it say?
O.
Good. Listen to the story. Ollie Octopus sat on a rock. He was stuck. His legs were not working. They just hung there, straight as could be. Help, he hollered. I cannot get off. How can I make my legs work? What are the magic words that will do it? Maybe the O words that start with the O sound will do it. Let's try. Octopus. Oh yes, one leg is working. Olive. That feels so good. Office. Oscar. Off. Opposite. On. Ostrich. Finally, all my legs are working. Now, let's sing along with the O song.
The letter O. I love the letter O. Here's how O can go. Like olive, ostrich, officer, octopus. I love the letter O. Here's how O can go. Obviously, you know what's coming up.
I love the letter O. Here's how O can go.
Like olive,
Olive,
ostrich,
ostrich,
officer,
officer,
octopus.
octopus. I love the letter O. Here's how O can go.
I could just go on and on about you.
This is the letter O. This is how you write the letter O. For uppercase O, point to the skyline, trace back, then down around to the grass line, and around back up to the skyline. For lowercase o, point to the plain line, trace back, then down to the grass line, and around back up to the plain line. This is the letter O. There is a big O and a small o. It says,
O.
what letter is this? That's right. This is the letter O. What does it say?
O.
Good. Now look for things around the room that start with the sound of O.